India is facing unprecedented tariff pressure from the United States over its energy trade with Russia. Yet, even as Washington slaps duties of up to 50% on Indian goods, Moscow and Beijing have both stood firmly by New Delhi. On Thursday, August 21, 2025, India's External Affairs Minister Jaishankar met Russian President Vladimir Putin and his Foreign Minister Sergei Lavrov in Moscow. The talks focused on expanding bilateral trade, deepening energy cooperation, and addressing the fallout from US President Donald Trump's tariff escalation. Jaishankar described India Russia ties as among the steadiest since the Second World War. He announced plans to boost Indian exports of pharmaceuticals, agriculture, and textiles to Russia, alongside sending skilled Indian workers in IT, construction, and engineering to plug labor shortages. Bilateral trade has touched a record $68.7 billion, though India's heavy oil imports have left it with a $59 billion deficit. Jaishankar defended India's continued purchases of Russian crude and reminded that Washington itself had earlier urged India to do everything to stabilize the global energy market, including buying oil from Russia. He stressed India also imports oil from the US, making tariff threats contradictory. Meanwhile, China has come out openly in support of India. At an event in New Delhi, Chinese Ambassador Zhu Feihong denounced the US tariffs as the act of a bully. He pledged that China will firmly stand with India to uphold World Trade Organization principles. Zhu also highlighted that India China ties are improving since the Modi Xi meeting in Kazan in October 2024. With Russia ensuring continued oil shipments and China lending rare diplomatic support, India now finds itself backed by two major powers as it confronts US tariff pressure.